I love anything facial, skin, beauty, so I was like, you know what? I'm super curious. Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to actually jump right into the video. About 6 months ago, I went for my first dermablading experience. Dermablading is basically a type of mechanical exfoliation that is done on the face. You take a mechanical blade or the esthetician or whoever is performing this takes a mechanical blade and gently scrapes, and I use the word scrape, but it's like a shaving on the skin. A shaving on the skin to remove all the milia, like the hairs on your face. It also exfoliates the top layer of your skin, which in return is supposed to leave your skin very smooth, vibrant. When you put on your makeup, it'll be smooth. So your girl was interested, and I have been eyeing this procedure for like a year plus. And I was a little bit skeptical of doing it only because I do a lot of my facial treatments and stuff at home, and I love spas, but this particular treatment, I was like, a blade to my face. And I personally like to take off my hair. I just get like my lips, either like my upper lip or my chin threaded, my eyebrows threaded or waxed. And I don't really care too much to get like the rest of the hairs on my face taken off. I am very hairy, extremely, and I kind of strangely like my hair. So I don't like the hair on my lip and like chin and eyebrows. Like I do those, but like on my face and stuff, I don't really mind it. It doesn't bother me. But anyways, I was super curious and was like, it's my birthday weekend and I want to take it up a notch. I came back home and literally within 30 minutes to an hour, my skin was itching. Later on that same day, later on that night, my skin was itching. The itching continued. The next day I started to have bumps on my face, very small, fine bumps on my face. Within that same week, my skin became extremely bumpy. Now, I was very worried because I did not want the bumps to go away eventually and leave a lot of dark dots on my skin, like scarring from the bumps that were on my skin. So that was my first concern was, okay, I don't know what's happening, but I have a lot of bumps on my skin, and when it goes off, I hope it doesn't leave like, black dots on my skin or scarring. So, and I was like, okay, how do I take this off? Because I'm very worried at this point. Or actually, let me back it up a bit. What is a skin barrier? You might be asking, what you talking about, girl? When you say skin barrier, what do you mean? So the skin barrier on your skin is the outermost layer on the skin, and it basically is like a brick on a house or a stone on the house or cement on a house. Whatever the outer layer of a house is, if you can picture a house and picture what the outer layer of, whether it's brick, stone, whatever is beautifying the house, that is basically the top layer of your skin. It holds everything together, such as the fatty acids, holds water, moisture. It holds all the goodies in your skin to keep it balanced and plump and, just keep it really nice. And so once that barrier is damaged, you can start having very dry. Now, the signs and symptoms of a damaged skin barrier is going to be dry skin. You can have like little bitty bumps and rashes on your skin. Your skin is itchy, it's super dry. No matter what you put on it, it just feels dry all the time. And it can be like, very sensitive as well. Now, some things that make your skin barrier to be distorted, or ways you can distort your skin barrier is over exfoliating your face, age, and of course we're all aging, and every year we are losing collagen. Us women, we're losing collagen in our skin, and that is also going to have to do with your skin barrier just kind of getting a little bit weaker, right? But So age can also kind of alter your skin barrier. Over exfoliating or just using like dry alcohols or like a lot of heat and sun damage to the skin as well can damage your skin barrier. Now, how to repair it is by moisture, 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 moisture. Stay away from exfoliating, stay away from drying alcohols, and stay away from excessive sun exposure to your skin. The steps I took was, moisture, 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 moisture. I didn't steam my face. I didn't exfoliate my face. I stayed away from any type of retinols, AHAs, BHAs, any type of chemical or mechanical exfoliations on my face. Okay. So some steps to take is basically keep it simple. Keep it simple when it comes to restoring your barrier of your skin. Now, you can restore your skin barrier. It's not like you've damaged it and, oh no, my skin is messed up. Now what do I do? No, your skin can be repaired, okay? So, and to keep it simple until your skin heals. My skin took 5 weeks for all the bumps, and I'm going to insert pictures here. If you are in this position or you've been probably eyeing dermablading, I'm in no way discouraging it. I'm just giving you my experience. And if you so happen to get dermablade and this has happened to you and you are still confused as to why it's happening, or you often shave your face, this at home as well. Do the exfoliation with the blade at home. But if you want to often shave your face and wondering why in the world do I still have bumps on my skin, because I've seen actually a lot of women mention this, these are steps to take to repair it. Okay, so in the next slide, I am going to show you the step-by-step routine of what I use to repair my skin over the course of 5 weeks. And I'm also going to put down in my description bar the items that I use. I went with the non-foaming face wash, and you can literally use any brand. I just chose Ceravae because I'm really not a big fan of non-foaming face washes, but I had to become a fan in order to help restore my skin. So then I just wash my face. I would usually wash my face with like mild cool water, like lukewarm water. You don't want to wash your face with hot water when you're trying to restore your skin because it can be very drying on the skin. So I would do like a lukewarm kind of coldish water to wash off the face wash. Here I'm drying with the paper towel because that's what I had right in front of me, but you can use any type of clean towel or paper towel that you may have, Okay, so then I would go in with a rose water spray. Rose water is very gentle and helps with the skin barrier, and I really loved it. Then I would go on my hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid tends to draw water from the air. You can go with any brand of hyaluronic acid, but this particular hyaluronic acid I loved because it helped to moisturize my skin, and my skin was suffering of dryness due to the damage that was caused. Then I would go in with actually a little bit of niacinamide just to rub on the inflamed areas, which was literally all over my face. So I just went in with just a dot of that, and then I would go in with an essence. An essence is just an extra type of serum you can use. I normally don't use essence, but I did while trying to restore my skin barrier. It just adds an extra layer of moisture before putting on your face cream. Okay, and I was drinking water like crazy because I was just so dried out. Then I would go in, depending on if it's day or night. I love the Ceravae healing ointment, or I would use my Hydro Boost. Hydro Boost in the day, Ceravae in the night. This was, of course, daytime, so I just went in with my Hydro Boost and used that to hydrate my skin. So I would just put on different areas of my skin to help hydrate. My neck as well. My neck wasn't really too affected because the esthetician wasn't allowed to blade the neck, but I just went ahead and put my skincare products on my neck as well. Here I'm just massaging it in and hoping for the best, honestly. All right. So getting that good massage in and just making sure all my serums are dried down. And before I put on my lotion, after my face lotion, then I would go in with my rose hip oil. And I would do this just simply to lock in all of the products that I just put on my face. Now, if I was stepping outside, I wouldn't use oil just because oil tends to trap heat. But I was staying indoors today, so I just went ahead and used oil. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.